Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video, we're going to be installing a WeatherGuard side light bracket for our headache rack. Let's get started. All right, now WeatherGuard does give you a printed installation guide in the box. Make sure you reference this for the ultimate source of information. It's got warnings, cautions, warranty information, all of that. Of course, we're doing our best to follow this as well. Now, this kit comes with 2 brackets, one for each side. They sit on your headache rack corners like this. If you want to put some, it could be a beacon or it could be some floodlights or whatever you may want to mount on your headache rack. Mounting is going to be pretty simple with the WeatherGuard track system built into the headache rack. And so there's just a little bit of nuance with installing this particular bracket because you have to install it in a certain order or else you'll run into issues. And so what we first want to do is just thread one of these square bolts on here to our side. And we're actually going to rotate this 90 degrees from the position it'll end up being in, like so. Put this up here, sit like that. We're going to take our other square bolt, put it in our middle opening, slide this all the way over. Get it lined up with our hole up here. Just get this threaded a little bit, and then we can go ahead and tighten these down. Same exact step over here for the driver's side. And there we go. Now we have a nice flush surface for mounting our lights. We're gonna put some floodlights on ours. You can do it on both the left side and the right side. Now, if you are looking for these brackets or the WeatherGuard headache rack, or WeatherGuard boxes, whatever you may need to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.